YouTube script for Maruti Suzuki Swift 2025, Shift Zone 2025. Welcome back to Shift Zone 2025. If you love cars, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest automobile news. Today, we're diving into one of India's most loved hatchbacks, the all-new Maruti Suzuki Swift 2025. The Swift has always been a fan favorite, known for its sporty design, fuel efficiency, and budget-friendly price. But what's new in the 2025 model? Let's find out. Starting with the design, Maruti Suzuki has given the Swift 2025 a fresh and modern look. The updated front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sharper bumper design make it more aggressive than ever. The overall stance is sportier, and the alloy wheels add a premium touch. Inside the cabin, you'll notice some exciting upgrades. The new floating touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and premium seat upholstery make the interior more stylish and comfortable. Plus, the wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ensure you stay connected on the go. Now, let's talk about performance. The new Swift 2025 is expected to feature a 1.2 LZ series petrol engine with improved fuel efficiency. With an estimated mileage of 25 plus km/L, it's perfect for city drives and long journeys. Maruti Suzuki may also introduce a hybrid version to enhance fuel economy even further. When it comes to safety, Maruti has stepped up its game. The Swift 2025 is expected to come with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera. With the new global NCAP safety standards, the Swift aims to offer better protection for passengers. Now, let's talk about the most important factor, the price. The expected price of the Maruti Suzuki Swift 2025 in India is around 6.50 Indian rupees lakh to 9.50 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The final price may vary depending on the variant and features. So, is the Swift 2025 worth the wait? If you're looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and feature-packed hatchback, this could be the perfect choice for you. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the new Swift 2025? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shift Zone 2025 for more car updates. See you in the next one. Drive safe, stay awesome.